Hi everyone, this is me Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to me in YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to make transform taskbar in Windows 10. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel grow up. And thank you so much. Check this out. Okay, before we start the tutorial, we need two materials to finish this tutorial. First, we need the Rainmeter.exe and then we need Rainmeter skin.
Hey everyone, first of all, I want to say sorry, my English is not good, so if the word I use are inaccurate, please help me to point out. Let's go to the installation process. Make sure you have download all the material, link on my video description. If you have download, you will get two material. One is Rainmeter 4.1.exe and then translucent taskbar blah 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 by Arcantara, thanks to the developer. To install all of this, first we install Rainmeter 4.1.exe by right click, run as an administrator or double click on it. In here I choose OK. I use English for the language, or you can use Indonesian, Hungarian and other. In here I use English and OK. The next step, we choose what the type of installation we want. In here, any option, standard and portable. In here I choose standard installation for the recommendation of developer, and then next. And as we can see here, the destination folder, make it default or you can change as you want, and here we select install and we wait until the installation is complete. After the installation complete, we select finish and please don't uncheck run Rainmeter. Finish. Okay, Rainmeter has been installed. As we can see in here, welcome to Rainmeter, but the installation is not complete. We need to install translucent taskbar. To install this, we just need to right click and then install Rainmeter skin. And in here we check it all and install. Yeah, Rainmeter has been installed. In the desktop we can see welcome Rainmeter, system, disk and other. So to activate the translucent taskbar, we go to the Rainmeter. In here I go to the taskbar. I'm sorry for my taskbar on the top. And in here we can see Rainmeter. Right click and go to the skin. But in here we can see translucent taskbar, so we need to refresh all. How to refresh it? We just need to Rainmeter and right click and then refresh all. So if we go to the Rainmeter again, we can see in the skin we can see translucent taskbar. We just need to click sample.ini. Wow, the translucent taskbar is active now. So if you want to hide welcome, system, disk and other, we go to the Rainmeter, right click, skin, illustro, clock, click, hide. This.ini, click OK. Welcome, OK, and One more, we go to the skin, illustro, system. Okay. You can custom anything as you want. Okay. I think enough tutorial in this time. If you have any question or comment, you can write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.